Hi everybody and thanks for watching. My name is Kay. My channel mostly focuses on content that is fashion, beauty, and sometimes sneaker related. If that sounds like things that you're into, then please do join us. I would love to have you. So if you're new here and it's your first time here, then welcome. If you've been here for a while, then I know I've been kind of MIA, but I'm back now. So thanks for still being here. Today what I'm going to be doing is a very quick unboxing of the Air Force One Billie Eilish. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right started with that. So it's actually been about a month since this shoe has released. The release date was April 25th, 2022. I have had these in for a while, but I also ordered the shirt and I was waiting on it to make its way to me so I could kind of like put on the outfit for the video. Um, I reviewed the shirt as well, but the shirt never ended up getting to me. There was like this whole big deal with UPS. So anyway, here I am now, unboxing the shoe. Is better late than never. Here's the box. The box is pretty cool. It has like writing all over it. It also has a logo on it. It's co-branded, and it's in the same beige color as the shoes. It's a very, very nice, classy box. So there is some branding on the tissue paper as well, which is a nice little touch. So now we're getting to the good part, which is the actual shoe, and here the shoe is, and it is quite beautiful. It is a very, very, very soft shoe. The material is lovely. I can imagine that it would probably scuff fairly easy though, so you probably want to be careful. As you can see, I'm like keep on touching the material because it's just so soft and it feels so good to touch. So that's what that was about. Now I'm just lifting up the straps. We're undoing the straps so we can see what that's like. I've heard a lot of people compare this shoe to like a straight jacket or something like that, which I think is a good comparison. But in my opinion, the shoe is still very, very nice, and I'm overall very pleased with it. So now I'm just going to kind of like play with the shoe a little bit and talk about some of the details on the shoe. So this shoe is completely monochromatic, as you can see. It's similar in color to her Air Jordan 15. Which I also have, and it's pretty much in the same color, and it's also a really, really awesome shoe. She is also scheduled to actually have another release. This is the Air Jordan Low, and it's in the same colorway, so I'm going to insert an image of that as well for you guys to see. So I had initially intended on doing a voiceover discussing all of the aspects of this shoe. I actually don't think I'm going to do that. I think that this shoe pretty much speaks for itself. It is a very, very simple design, but it still has complexities, which I really do appreciate. It has like a lot of little small details of this shoe, like the branding inside of the shoe. There's like some branding with Billie Eilish. On the other side of on the outsole of the shoe, there's like some little designs as well, that's made to look like gravel, I guess, or something like that. That's a nice little touch as well. Overall, this shoe just has a whole bunch of little things that you may overlook about them. But for the most part, there's really not anything to discuss. It's just a super, super awesome shoe with a whole bunch of straps. I'm sure you guys may have already seen these before, so that's why I'm not really going to go into very much detail. But I'm just going to let the rest of this video go ahead and run. And yeah. So to close out this video, I just went ahead and put them on my feet for you guys to get a look at how that looks. I will say that these shoes are a pain to put on because of all of the straps, and underneath the straps there are laces, but other than that I have no complaints.